This video is for a quick overview of the layer system inside Substance Painter. So in order to start, we can go to the Layer tab, and you can see there are two types of layer, the paint layer and the fill layer. So if we create a paint layer, you can see that if I change the color of the brush, the base color to red, you can see that it's sort of a Photoshop style system. And if I make a fill layer, you can tell that it's a solid color on top of everything, covering the entire texture set list. So now what if I want to paint on top of the fill layer? What I can do is, using the same layer I created, I'll change the color just to better showcase the change. And now I'm painting on top of the fill layer with a different color. But what if I want to mask this effect? So I can create a white mask, a black mask, or a bitmap mask. So the white mask will basically do the same. We'll create a mask that doesn't mask anything, and I can paint on black and kind of hiding part of the layer. If I create a black mask, I will reveal the color. And if I use a bitmap mask, I can create an image that will mask the entire layer. So if we see here in the layer, we have different properties: color, metal, roughness. This one we won't look this stage, and the height map. So if I change we'll delete the mask first, just to showcase what it's doing, every property, what every property is doing. So if I change the metalness property, okay, I will disable this bloom effect. Okay. And okay, I'll paint the metalness. Okay, I'll paint the metalness in a different layer. So this one is only going to affect the metalness. And if we can see here, can decrease the metalness effect, and it will be more matte object. And if I increase the metalness, you can see that I can paint the shininess of this material, and it's going to look just in certain areas like metal. Now in a different layer, I will paint the roughness only. Just activate the roughness, make it more rougher. So that this way I can have individual control per parameter. And if I paint the height, I change it. I increase the height of these areas that I'm painting. So you can see it's like a normal or bump map. I can also decrease the height. So these are the basic parameters that we're gonna learn just for a quick start, and we're gonna go deeper into those later in this tutorial. But this is just enough in order to start your first project inside Substance.